Hey guys, so this is the first day of getting my garden ready for summer. I've got the other camera right there, so I'm going to start by trimming these trees because I'm missing out on a lot of late afternoon sun. So this is what it looks like now, and I'm going to cut it about that high just so that I can get that late afternoon sun with the hope of this grass filling this spot. And then I'm going to be placing a few raised beds over here. Okay, so I'm back. I just waited for the sun to set a bit. Let's get into it. Oh, I must just watch out. My wife got a puff at her work the other day. This is way too noisy, and I see my camera isn't in focus, and I don't just want to show the GoPro. So I think let me give you a tour of the property. So I just want to show you around a bit. Here we've got our Muscovy. Let's see if I can get a closer look. Taking a nap under the trees. Hello. Hello. Let me just turn up the ISO. So we've got these 4 females, then the 1 drake. Then I also want to show you guys, before we get into the yard, hey Cookie, hey Cookie. Then we've got Cookie, my daughter's named her Cookie. So she comes out in the afternoons and early mornings just to eat, drink, have a huge poo, and then she returns back to the nest. Alright, so I don't think we're really going to grow something here. It's too shady. We've got these massive trees mostly throughout the yard. So let me take you to where I was thinking of planting this season, or the coming season. So we've got this old driveway that we don't use. So I was thinking of planting ferns here in the shadows. And then around here where the sun starts, I want to plant like your day-to-day veggies, your salads and spinach and stuff like that. But obviously, with the ducks, with the Muscovy and the babies on their way, it's going to be quite difficult. As well as way over that side, I was thinking of doing grenadilla there. So this is where we sit during the summertime. It's a bit too cold now. Hey, we've got a guinea fowl fella. A lime tree, not a lemon tree. One of the raised beds that I started, we'll probably add more dried leaves and mulch within the next few weeks. So the plan is to have a few raised beds here with all the mulch and the compost that I'm going to get from below these trees. So I'm guessing this has been here these trees have been here forever. And you can imagine all the leaves and the compost accumulating down there. So the plan for today is to trim everything around yay high. And then we'll use whatever's underneath to build our raised beds. Then we've got a pond where the ducks come and enjoy themselves and clean up. We have to clean this about once a month. It gets really filthy, but the ducks do love it. Then I was thinking of moving the plants that are here now to that one over there, and I'm going to utilize this piece of soil, this piece of land. I'm going to utilize this for potatoes. I'm just a bit worried about the sun in the late afternoons. Hopefully by cleaning this up a bit, we can get some of that late afternoon sun, which will definitely make the grass grow better here as well. But yeah, only time will tell, so we'll have to have a look. Okay, just want to show you guys the other side. There. It's going to make for nice firewood. Let me just show you what I mean about the mulch and the compost. So you can, I don't know if you can see on the camera how thick the layer is. I'd say it's about 20 odd centimeters thick. And this is beautiful for to use in your beds. And that goes down a bit. You can see just how much there is of this. So this is going to be fantastic for the bedding. Okay, let's go. Also another beautiful thorn tree. They do hurt if you step in them. That's got to be my most favorite tree. Absolutely stunning. Where the kids play. We had a pipe burst the other day. Luckily got that fixed. So I tried to grow some, they call them burabona, but I don't think the climate is suitable for them. They didn't last very long. So I was thinking of doing either granadella, which is only going to last the summer because it is going to get hit by frost in the winter. So yeah, but as we progress, I'll put everything on video and we'll see what happens going forward. And if the quality wasn't bad enough, my chainsaw broke. So yeah, I'll be sure that everything looks better in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you do return. I'm looking forward to share the journey with you. And yeah, stay safe and we'll chat soon. Cheers.